guys. So today I'm going to unwrap this one. This is Bessel Megadora Impactor penetration driver plus 2 by 150. It is import from Japan. It is made from Japan as well. And I got this through eBay, and then the sellers from Japan. I bought this for $13.75, which is the lowest I found. They got some other cheaper one. It's like $11.89. It is shorter by 100 instead of 150. So let's go ahead and get this open. Hopefully there's no invoice. I feel invoice. So just thank you for purchasing this item. So here it is. You got this metal. You can hit it with a hammer. So instead of using your hand twisting it, you can hit it. The main reason I purchased this is to remove the rotors for the brake system. And it is made in Japan. Then it is number 980. There's another number 07923. I'm not sure what's that number. So this one has a pretty nice grip. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop it in the comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.